drivers, we 20 seconds of our engine. Anybody wants to switch both to the place, let's change position. Yeah, just let's put 2 or 3 on this one, and then we'll upload the next one. You walk up here, first stop. If you struggle to get up there, you don't go higher. Eh? This is now here to run a marathon, to enjoy the view. But if you want to go further up where those people are, stay on the trail always. That's up there at the glacier. And today's the day to just take it all in and enjoy. It's some of the most stunning scenery when you get up there, okay? And I suggest you open up. Everybody's going to overheat, overdress. And we're out of here at 11.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I don't like having extra things in my hands though as well. I've got my jacket and that.
Yeah, oh, it's just easier.
Carrying the
Oh, good.
Looks like a few dogs. Okay, see they're jumping down.
Are you sure, Mike? Are you sure? Yeah, I'm sure. There we go. Well done.
Oh, this one really fat, man.
See you later.
Yeah,
did a good job, Chris. Good job.
All right, guys. Everyone had a good landing.
Yes. Awesome.
Yeah, see if we find a good clear path. Yeah.